Good morning, Kinderby students. It is now Friday and our next phonics lesson. I have enjoyed this week and seeing you and talking to you on FaceTime. It is the highlight of my day. So I continue to think about each and every one of you and pray for each one of you. And I want to just give a big hug. Go ahead and squeeze yourself, and that's a hug from me to you. Okay, let's get started with our chart 13. And I'm going to say it first, and I'm going to have you guys repeat it after me. Okay, here we go. Full and beautiful, F-U-L. Air and care, A-R-E. Ton and mountain, T-A-I-N. And pure, U-R-E. Tur and pasture, T-U-R-E. War and warm, W-A-R. Louder, ton and nation, T-I-O-N. Shun and missionary, S-I-O-N. Shun and television, S-I-O-N. A and 8, E-I-G-H. Or and sailor, O-R. R and dollar, A-R. A and crystal, Y. Air and cherry, E-R-R. Good job. Great job, guys. Okay, now, who wants to do a recap, a review really quick of chart 11? Chart 11, remember? S and city C, S and city C. Okay, I'm going to flip these. You go ahead and shout out as soon as you know them. I'm not going to say them. You shout out as soon as I hold it up. Ready and go. There's a peak. Jet and giant G. Remember, ka, not cha in church. Ka in chorus, C-H. Good job. Okay, we're going to give a virtual high five. So hold up your hand and high five. Good job. Did you do that? Let's try it one more time. Ready and go. How about a fist bump? Ready and go. Good. Okay. Miss Bartolome is having so much fun making these videos with you guys. All right, guys. So today we are going to be learning something new. This is called, what we're learning, a contraction. Now, we've talked about contractions before, but now we're really going to get into practicing what a contraction is. Okay, everybody, let's first say contraction. Contraction. Good. Okay, now I'm going to turn around and contraction. A contraction is one word made from two words. Okay, so it's one word and it came from two words. Okay, like you're probably saying like a compound word. Well, kind of, but a contraction is a short way to say two words at one time. A contraction is a shorter way to say two words at one time. So let me look up here. Okay, so we have an N. This is called an apostrophe. Can you say apostrophe? Apostrophe. N apostrophe T. So N apostrophe T, that means, that's the word not. N apostrophe T. So if we look at the word couldn't, which is could, N apostrophe T, couldn't means could not. See, we say couldn't to take two words and make it a shorter word into one. So couldn't is could not. Now we have the word wouldn't. What two words is wouldn't? What's this word? Would not. So wouldn't is would not. Now what about the word shouldn't? What two words is shouldn't? Should. What's the other word? Not. Good. Good job. Okay, now let's look at another contraction. This one is apostrophe LL. When you have an apostrophe and LL, that's the word will. So we have she'll. She will. She'll. She'll go to the store later on today, which is saying she will, but we'll just say she'll. This is he'll, which is he, what? What's the answer? What goes right here? He'll is he will. He will. Then we have you'll, which is what two words? Blank will. You'll. What goes here? You. You'll is you will. Okay, we could also think of, do you know another contraction? Oh, I thought I heard I'll, which is I will. Put together, I'll. I'll go take out the trash. Yes. Okay, great guys. Okay, so what are those called again? What were those called? Contractions. Okay, we're going to be taking out this page. So this is page 133. We're just going to do the front today. Go ahead and get your pencil and your paper and have it in front of you. We're going to start this paper and then you guys are going to finish it. Pause your video if you don't have it yet and come back. Okay, now we are at our paper. Remember, we have to, number one, change the Y to an I and then add the suffix. Remember this, guys? Here we are. Here's my other board. When we have a Y in a word that ends a Y, and a word that ends with a Y, we drop the Y and add an I. So what's this word? Happy. Happy. And do you see? Happy ends with a Y. So before we add the suffix ER, what do we have to do? Take out the Y and add the I. So we had happy and now we have what? Happier. We have the word funny. We see a Y. What do we do with the word when the word ends in a Y before adding a suffix? Drop the Y, add the I. And what word is this? Funnier. Yes. Okay. So let's look at number one. Well, let's look at the example they give us. What word is this? Silly. It ends with a Y, so what do? We drop the Y and add an I, and now that's sillier. Sillier. Is Miss Bartholomew sillier than you? Maybe, maybe not. I feel pretty silly, but I'm having lots of fun. Okay, so we're going to take the word lazy. Look it, we cross out the Y. We're going to rewrite the word to be what? Lazier. What do we need to do? Drop the Y, add the I. So you're going to go ahead and rewrite the word for each one of these. Remember, drop the Y, add the I. On the bottom, number 2, we're going to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. You guys tell me, what are you going to do? I didn't hear you. Good. circle the special sounds, mark your vowels. Okay, the back will be for next time, tomorrow. So you could go ahead and stop your video now and work on your worksheet, and I will see you all soon. I miss you. Bye-bye.